Oh yeah, that's gonna make for a cool pool party. How is everybody doing? Well, I just finished a few days ago making the video for my plumbing upgrade. And that's, if you watch that video, I said I wanted to get it done before the rain. Well, we had a tornado hit really close to us that evening, and I had some damage to the house. We lost a tree in the front, and my back gate got broke. See the patch job? But we're okay. The pool made it alive. Didn't damage anything. Had a bunch of branches and debris like that in the pool, but I'm gonna leave it a little bit dirty right now because I have a vacuum video coming up that I want to film. So today I'm going to talk about a new fountain that I just got from Pool Hacker. They sent me a fountain last year. It was awesome. It reviewed really good, and people have been very happy with it. They just sent me a brand new product that I think is just now hitting Amazon, or after this video is posted, it'll be on Amazon. It's a similar fountain, but it has lights on it. So let me show it to you. So let's show you what the box looks like. First of all, much nicer box than I got last year. Last year was just a cardboard box, which is fine. I don't really care about the box, but this is a very nice box. Pool Hacker did a really good job. They're stepping up their game. So we got a waterfall pool fountain light set, remote control, wide illumination, long-lasting battery, timer shutdown, easy installation, Type-C charging. So let me open it up here and show you what you get inside. Very cool. Good job, Pool Hacker, with the writing there on the box. Nice stuff. Okay, so it looks very similar to the one I reviewed last year. So you have all your pieces here, and I'll show you exactly how to put all this together and how to install everything. And here are the lights. So it looks like that's where the lights are right there. So pretty cool. All right. Here's our instructions over here. You got a charging cable here. We'll go through the instructions, and you got a remote control also. So let me read some instructions and I'll be right back. Okay, so first things first, you got to take this cover off. Okay. Here's your adapter, and it just screws on the inside part. Just like that. And then you take this part, just like that. And then you have this part, which again, if you watched my other video, that's how you want to do it. You want it to kind of go so it forks out. If you install it that way, it's kind of, you can do that. It's fine. I just prefer it to spread out. It covers more of the pool when you spread it out. So now this attaches here. I need my other hand to do that. The last part of this, spray nozzles go towards the pool. You pick the angle you want, and then you're going to screw this on right here. Okay, that's the finished product. That's what it looks like when everything's put together. And it's all, now I'm going to explain this again just like I did in the previous video. If you got a bunch of kids playing in the pool, warn them. Obviously, it's forgiving, okay? It will bounce. It ain't gonna go nowhere, but they can, kids, I got kids, they can damage something like this. So just warn them, stay away from, if they want to enjoy this, stay away from it, don't hang on it. But it is all connected, it's solid. And again, this is the hole that you adjust the flow pressure. So if you want a smaller flow, then you open it wide open, so more water is going to come out the return here. If you want it to go further across the pool, then you pinch this down to little to nothing. So let's turn it on real quick. See, what kid is going to think, no, it's not cool? No, they're going to love that. That is really cool. Now I need to charge up the lights, so tonight we can test the lights. I did want to add real quick that this is the kind of return cap that I have, but it also does different styles. So that adapter, they show you exactly how to put it on a different type of head. Okay, so real quick, the charging cord, we'll do both at the same time. That is pretty cool. Okay, here's the remote, and I want to show you some basics before we put it on the pool tonight. So here's your power on, okay? Here's your play button, basically. This middle part, you can do, well, you got red, blue, white, green, but it has more. So this middle power button, you push that, it'll start a sequence. Push it again, it's got like a strobe feature. Push it again. So you're just getting different features every time you push it. So this thing does a ton of different stuff. Okay, the cool thing about it also is you have timers set. Here's your brightnesses, so a different percentage of brightness. And then down here you have timers, so like 60 minutes, 180 minutes. You can set it and forget it. Okay, it's getting dark. They are charged, but I want to show you how they go on before I lose daylight completely. Okay, so that's what they look like in the front, okay? The battery charge part goes on the outside, okay? And the light itself goes on the bottom part of the fountain. So let's see, the charger's on this side. So this one's gonna go on this side with the light facing down. And it clicks right in. In this side, the light goes down and the charger will be on the outside, just like that. All right, it is time for the ultimate test. As you can see, it is well dark enough. Let's hit the power switch here. Look at that, it's pretty bright. It kind of lights the whole pool up. I mean, I have a different light already in the pool, but the water lights up pretty good. Let's try red. Wow, that looks awesome. Look at that, that's pretty cool. Okay, what's this, blue? Green, green looks pretty cool. And then there's white. So let's do the random play. I like it, very cool. That is awesome. Okay, let's hit it again. That's more of a strobe feature. Hit it again. That's a slow changing feature. I like it. Very cool. Again, thank you for watching another video. Thank you to Pool Hacker for sending me this fountain to test out. I'm very impressed with it. They did a good job. Their packaging is much improved. Not that the other one was bad, but it looks really good. This thing is really, really cool. I will link this in the description. Thank you again for watching another video, and y'all have a blessed day.